Hello everyone. So in this video, I wanted to talk about one position that we have open, and that is Jira trainer. Now, as a company, we do a lot of things with Jira. We basically are consultants. We provide consultation around Atlassian tools. And when it comes to consultation, we basically work with our clients. We help them move to Jira. We help them get the most out of Jira. We do a lot of wonderful things like automations. So basically, if any organization, any team, when they want to use Jira, solve their problems, we can actually understand those requirements and we can come up with a solution. So we are nothing but consultants, right? But the problem is, in majority of cases, we also have to spend some time with our stakeholders, our clients, to train them on the usage of the tool. And training is one such thing that we do, or I should say, we used to do a lot. And nowadays, we don't really do a lot of trainings, although we have a platform called training.sparxsys.com. So if you go to this platform, you will find a few courses that we have, and we do from time to time, organize some training sessions. But we want to do more trainings. We want to do regular trainings, and for that we need people who can deliver those training courses. And when it comes to trainings, we actually cover quite a lot of topics. So of course we have Jira administration, we have Jira fundamentals, we have ECBI, script runner, for example. So we do have a lot of things that we can cover when it comes to training. But right now, our immediate need is someone who can deliver training for our clients, our stakeholders, our customers, and anyone who wants to get into Atlassian or Jira tool administration. So if you are someone who is interested in doing trainings, Jira trainings, then do reach out to me. You can reach out to me on LinkedIn. And talking about the requirements or skills needed, so we need someone in Delhi NCR location, preferably. That is what we are trying to do. So if you are from Delhi NCR region, or if you don't really mind moving to Delhi NCR region, then do apply. Talking about the level, the experience level, we need someone who has at least like 5-ish years of experience. I mean, of course, we're not rigid about number of years, but I think when you have been doing Jira administration, maybe consultation for a few years, only then I think you can be a really good Jira trainer. And this role is not just Jira trainer. I should say it's like a coach or a mentor, right? So Jira training is, of course, a simple thing. You cover list of topics in a couple of days, and you basically talk about different things that Jira can do. But in most cases, we need to spend time with our customers a bit more closely. And it is always, or I should say in most cases, it is based on their requirements. So yes, training is involved, but it is a bit more customized training. And for that, we don't really say we do Jira training, we say Jira coaching, right? We are basically coaching them, we are basically helping them get the most out of Jira. So if you are someone who has around 5 years of experience doing Jira administration, then I think you can be a good candidate. But if you don't really have 5 years of experience, but you think you can do it, reach out to me. Now, talking about the technical skills. So of course you need to know Jira administration. That is definitely a requirement. And we are looking for someone who has experience both on Jira Data Center and Cloud. And this is a requirement. I know that everyone is talking about Jira Cloud these days, but I think if you're strong on Jira Admin Data Center side, then I think you can manage Jira Cloud. So we are looking for someone who can do both, right? It is not difficult. I think majority of us, or I should say majority of admins, they have experience on both, right? So that is also one of the requirement. And you should know everything about Jira administration, basically. So you should know how to configure the tool. You should know how to create different schemes. You should have familiarity with some of the apps. Not really all of the apps, but if you know script runner, if you know ECBI, if you know structure, tempo, or Zephyr, that is good to have. But primarily, we are looking for someone with really good Jira admin skills. And talking about this role, this Jira trainer slash coach role, you will not be only doing trainings. You will also be doing consultation. Consultation skills are also important. And when it comes to consultation, you should be comfortable, talking to people. You should be comfortable delivering online trainings and also face-to-face classroom-based trainings. So if you have that experience delivering trainings, talking to people, then that will be really helpful. So do reach out to me on LinkedIn. And the way we work is I'll also explain our process to hire people. So just send me a message on LinkedIn and send me a resume. You can also email me your resume, but I think if you reach out to me on LinkedIn, you'll find my LinkedIn in the description, by the way, of this video. Just send me a message and we can, of course, start talking. Our process is very simple. We'll first get into a half-an-hour call, not an interview, just initial screening or discussion, just to understand each other. I can try to understand your current situation, your current experience, and then you can also ask me a lot of questions about this role, about our company. And after that first initial discussion slash screening, we'll then do a technical round, like a 1-hour call, where I will ask you to, share a few things related to Jira administration, right? And I'll be looking for, of course, Jira admin skills, but at the same time, how you can deliver a training. So I might ask you to maybe solve a problem, but at the same time, I will also ask you to maybe give me a sample of your training, like how you will, talk to people and deliver a training, of course. So once that is done, then that is it. So our interview process is very simple. So if you think you're looking for a job and you want to get into Jira training slash coaching, then I think this could be a very good opportunity. At the same time, if you are keen or if you're interested in contributing to our YouTube channels, then that would be a great thing to have, because we do make regular videos, and on my channel, Ravi Sagar channel, it's mostly me, right? Which is fine because it is my channel, like my personal brand, I guess. But we do want to make more videos and useful content related to Jira and Atlassian tools on our company channel as well. And maybe on my channel as well. Let us see. If you think you can do that, that would be an amazing thing to have, right? So reach out to me and we can talk about this role in detail. All right, that is all. That is all I wanted to talk about in this video. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.